Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GPRO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one before, but I can't remember the last time I did GoPro. Regardless, though, after today's price movement, definitely updates need to be made. From a technical perspective, the chart broke down through quite a few key areas, and now it's a question of how far is this thing going to head? Is this the beginning of a much bigger breakdown? So to just kind of establish a little context here, and let's make sure I'm not missing anything. There we go. So the big level that was broken down below today, right here at $5.80. Quick trip down memory lane. I mean, you can see quite a bit of history of this area, generally speaking, where whenever the price got right around that range, many times the price almost bounced directly off that level, but right around 580 to a few pennies, this has been providing a great zone of support since back here in June. But fast forwarding to today, and I mean, it's not even like it was close. It got absolutely crushed. So from a technical perspective, that's a very bearish breakdown and brings about where the first key level of resistance is. And this is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So in the event there is any sort of, snapback bounce or just really any sort of bounce at all, $5.80 is going to be that initial hurdle that the bulls are going to have to cross over if they have any sort of chance at all of kind of rebuilding the chart right now, because that's essentially what's occurred. The chart is broken and it needs to be rebuilt. And step one in terms of rebuilding, it would be getting back up above 580. But now that the price is broken, let's talk about some next potential areas where the price could be headed to and next areas of support. And I'm not sure where the price, I'm just doing the eyeball test here. So almost, but $5.30, the newest key level of support that the price essentially, got close enough. I think we can all agree got close enough to that level. So it was good to see that the price at least held above there. Again, going back to the history of the chart, you can see on several occasions, the price did do a good job of holding up above there. But if 530 cannot hold, that's where things could, just get that much nastier, because after 530, next level of support, not until down here below the $5 mark at $4.75. Now, I'm not saying that if 530 fails, that within 2 hours the price is going to be at $4.75, but just from an overall chart perspective, depending on the strength of this bearish momentum, $4.75 may actually not be as far as away as what it potentially appears right now. So definitely keep an eye on 530 as that initial level of support. But if that level cannot hold, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price drift down to the $4.75 mark. So we'll see what happens with it. And once more, if it does start to bounce, $5.80, that key level of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.